talk to y'all about Apollo Box. They have so much unique home decor items, everything from bedside tables, bedding, to astronauts that we have sitting right here. So let's just get started. So first we're going to show you this beautiful pink astronaut. She is like life-size, so tall, so heavy, such good quality, and she comes with a globe that lights up and changes colors. You get a little remote with it. So let me just turn her on. Turn it on and show you all the different colors it can do. You got pinks, you got reds, you got yellow, you got greens. So cool. This is gonna look so cute in my pink room. I love the reflective mask here. You can also get this in white, silver, gold, I believe, but I wanted pink. So yes, I definitely love her. I'm trying to come up with a name for her. Maybe Astri? What would be a cute little name for my new friend? And the next item I got was this sheepskin rug. It is so soft and I love the shape of it. It's really huge, really nice and fluffy. This is gonna go gorgeous with my new couches. I love it so much. I also got this really cute flower pillow. It is like 3D, really nice and classy looking. This also comes in many colors. So these flowers were handmade. They are such beautiful, beautiful quality. I hope you can see through the camera these stunning feathers. They are so soft in the intricate design here with the seashells. How pretty are these? It's just like so boho and beachy. So we have this one. We got a big one with a mirror. How pretty is this? It's just stunning. You have like crocheting here with the seashells to match the other one and then all of the beautiful feathers. Then we have this one. More beautiful feathers and seashells in a different pattern. Next, we got this beautiful vase. They have so many different styles of vases, different colors and shapes. It's really nice quality, heavy duty. And last but not least, we have this brush set. Everything at Apollo Box is just so unique and beautiful and high quality. Everything I have got from there, I have absolutely loved. So it comes with 4 small eye brushes and then 3 big face brushes. How stunning are these? So high class looking and they are so soft. I can't wait to use these. Oh my gosh, so soft. And it comes with its own little glass holder. How cute is that? I love the pale green with the gold. It's just really beautiful. So that's gonna be everything. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And definitely check out Apollo Box. I will have everything I've shown you in this video linked down in the description as well as the link to the website. Thank you so much for watching.